In this video tutorial, we'll use the Android SDK Manager to update the Android SDK with missing components and additional tools. I'll open the Android SDK Manager by clicking on this little icon. During the installation process, there might already have been a warning about some missing components. You can have a look at what is currently installed by clicking on Install Packages. Yep, that's all there is by now, but we'll need a little more. And hardwired into the SDK Manager, there's a connection to the Android repository. I'll click on Available Packages to have a look at what's there. And there we have all those earlier versions of Android. Even a preview for the Honeycomb tablet OS. Android is a fast-evolving platform, and every time a new major or minor version appears, it'll show up here. Under Third-Party Add-ons, there we have everything related to Google services that's not inside of Android itself, as well as third-party add-ons, in this case by Samsung. Well, I'm greedy, so I'll install everything by clicking both those checkboxes at Android repository and third-party add-ons. I click on Install Selected, Accept All, and Install. Wow, that was quick. No, just kidding. Nothing was installed. We can read the error messages. Okay, couldn't create the directory. Let's have a look at it. This usually hints at some permission problems for the folder. If you're hitting a brick wall here, be sure to contact your administrator so she can modify the settings. If the permission settings are modified accordingly, you can try it again. Install selected, accept all, and install. And now it will download all the files and packages. We'll fast forward again. I click yes. And when we're done, we can click on close and look at install packages again. This is what we've just installed. We're now looking again at the Android folder. We'll see that a few folders have been created and added. For example, the add-ons folder contains various additional assets like that Samsung add-on that we selected earlier. The important thing for you to remember is that you can rely on the Android SDK Manager if you want to install any Android components. And now we have prepped the Android SDK with the latest updates.